Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial in the 12 Cards of Christmas series. Like always, you have a link to all the measurements for all the cards in the description under the video. You can go ahead, grab that, print out the cutting guide for free, and prick out all the pieces so you can join me in making all the cards. So we're going to start with the base of the card and fold it in half. There's hardly any scoring on this card. It's really easy, but it has a really wow effect to it. And then we're going to take the mechanism, fold it in half, and then fold each edge in half again. So basically what we're creating are 4 panels in an accordion shape. So this is what we want to have. This is the accordion that we want to have. Just reverse the direction because I want the dots. There are dots on this paper. I want them to be on top. And this is how it's going to be attached to the card, and it will have a pyramid on the top. Now we are going to bring our side pop-ups and we're going to score them while the short side is aligning with the top. We're going to align them with 2 inches and then score. And then do the exact same thing on the other piece, align it with 2 inches and score. So this way we have a little flap on the side. We're going to fold that. We're going to use that flap to apply the glue and attach the side pop-ups to the card. So next I'm going to cover my card with the cover papers. Again, you have all the measurements in the link in the description under the video. You can go ahead and grab that and you'll have all measurements for all 12 cards in the series. So I'm going to attach the papers, and of course you can use any papers you have in your stash. They can be patterned, they can be solid. You can choose whatever you want for your card and make it as pretty as you want. Okay, so now I have the inside of my card covered, and I'm going to attach my accordion or my pyramid pop-up. I'm going to apply glue to the bottom of the first panel in the accordion and attach it to the right side of the card, aligning it to the side like this, and then applying glue. It's about 1/4 of an inch from each side. Apply glue to the bottom of the last panel and simply close the card to secure. And then when we'll open the card, you're going to see how the pyramid pop-up appears. Really easy. Isn't that fun? Now let's attach those side pop-ups here. We're going to apply glue to the bottom of the flap and attach it to the right panel like this, aligning it with the edges of the panel that is already attached, and do the exact same thing on the other side, attaching the other panel to the left the side like this. And now you can go ahead, you can leave this mechanism as is. Looks really cool when you open it. Or you can cover the pop-up mechanism with cover papers. I'm only going to cover some of the panels just to create contrast. It will look really pretty that some are covered and some are not covered. I'm going to show you how that looks. So there will be a contrast between the pattern and the red color. But you can decide how you want to proceed at this point. It's up to you how you want to embellish your card any way that you want. So this is really cool with the different patterns. Of course, you can play with the different patterns. You could add stickers, you can add any embellishments that you want at this point to the card. But you can see that by not covering the entire, even though I cut 6 pieces, I decided not to use them all because I really like the contrast that is created with leaving those 2 side pop-ups uncovered. So this is how the card looks. You can go ahead and embellish the outside as well, of course, adding a cover paper and any type of embellishment that you want. Don't add anything bulky in the center, in the inside of the card, so it will be able to close and open and not be too thick. But on the outside, you can absolutely add anything that you want with foam tape, with layering. Make it as tall as you want with as many layers as you want. This way you will not interfere with the mechanism opening and closing. So I'm just adding another frame or another mat and adding another embellishment to the front of my card. I cut that from the pattern paper. Forgot to cut the bottom. Let's do it now. So I really hope you like this tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects, and you won't miss anything, including the 12 Cards of Christmas series. So I really hope you like this tutorial. Look at that, isn't that cool? Really fun. You can even add little photos if you want, or write your message, or just cover it with paper and add some embellishments or stickers. This is completely up to you. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.